everybody, I'm here to talk about the Urban Decay 10 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil Set, and this is what the packaging looked like. It came with one full-size pencil that was in black. It was the color Perversion, and then it came with 9 other 75% size different colors, and I will go through all the different colors and do swatches for you as well. But I just wanted to show you guys the packaging. It was enclosed in a plastic thing like so. They were fairly difficult to get out of this foam packaging. I really had to squeeze the packaging to try to get each pencil out. Then it also came with one of their pencil sharpeners, which I have heard very good things about. I haven't used it yet, haven't used them enough to need to sharpen yet. Before I jump into my review, I'm going to let you know that I personally did not like these pencils. They did not work for my eyes or my eyelids. I didn't try them on my waterline because I used them on my top lid, and by the end of the day I felt like it had migrated and moved all over my eye. So it didn't work for me. I was a little bit disappointed about that, but I have heard great things about them and I have heard that they work for other people, so I thought I would still go ahead and do a swatch video in case any of you out there were curious about what the colors look like, in case you wanted to pick up some of these for yourself. So the first pencil here is in the color Perversion, and this is just a matte black. They glide on really nicely, and this one is very opaque, but like I said, I didn't like the staying power on my lids. And then the next color is like an emerald green, and it is in the color Vacancy. That's what that looks like. It's a really pretty emerald green. I'm not wearing it today because I kind of gave up on wearing them just because I didn't like it smudging on me. Because the makeup I've had on right now, don't really have that much on. I've been wearing all day. And this color here is Gonzo. This is like an aqua blue. And this is like a matte. These three are matte shades. The next one here is Moonspoon. And this looks to me like a gunmetal sort of glittery type shade. And then the next one here is a gold one. It's called Stargazer. This one you need to work a little bit to get some opacity, so it's kind of hard to see it. It's like a gold shimmer. This color here is called Voodoo. Voodoo looks like a purple metallic eyeliner right there. Let me just do a bigger swatch. And the next shade here is Glitter Rock. Glitter Rock is like a mauve shimmer. Right about there. Here is Smokeout. I'll put Smokeout up here. It's like a brown, matte brown, smoky color. And then the next one here is Mugshot. Put Mugshot right over here. Mugshot is a metallic sort of gunmetal color. I quite like the shade of that. And the last one here is Faint. Faint looks like it's a matte brown. And so that's what that looks like right over there. So the first time I used this, I used the Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer. It didn't work for me, so the next day I used a different color pencil. I set the liner with some eyeshadow, and I used the Sephora eyeshadow, I think, and that seemed to work a lot better. But so they are beautiful colors, but they just don't seem to work for my eyelids. I feel like I have really dry eyelids, so I'm surprised that they moved so much around my eyes. I felt like even though I only put it on my upper lid, when I came home at the end of the day at work, I would see a lot of eyeliner around my eyes. I had raccoon eyes from them, which is surprising to me because I've tried other long-lasting gel pencil eyeliners, like for example this Jordana one in the color Jade Jewel. I have this on today and it did not migrate on my face. I do set it with an eyeshadow. I set this with the Wet n Wild's Comfort Zone palette shadow, and this, I'll just swatch to the side of my hand, is a beautiful jade, deep jade color. This one works perfectly for me, and it's $2.50. Granted, Jordana is a little bit more difficult to find in stores. The only place that I know of locally that carries it is Walgreens, and Walgreens is always out of stock, but I think you can buy it online as well. And then this one is the Tarte SmoulderEyes. Now I found with Tarte SmoulderEyes, I really like some of their shades, but I do not like their matte black shade, which actually I have right here. And I'm almost done with it because I'm trying to use it up, but then I have a backup to try to finish. But here it is. I really love the color of it, but it also tends to migrate like Perversion. I mean, I feel like those two are dupes for each other, Perversion and this Tarte Amazonian. I used it so far, I don't know the exact color, but it's the one that's matte black. Those two are dupes of each other. This one, the formula seems to be about the same as the Perversion one. I'm finding that I don't like these matte black long-lasting gel liners because they don't seem to work on me. I think the next one I want to try is the Marc Jacobs one because I've heard really good things about that one, and that one even stays on the waterline. It's just a little bit pricey. I do really like this Makeup Forever Professional Aqua Shadow. I really do feel like this does not smudge. It is a shimmery color, so even if it were to smudge, it's more forgiving than, say, black. But that's what that one looks like. I love this one for the waterline. It looks really amazing. I'm not wearing it today. Like I said, I'm not wearing that much makeup today. So that was my quick little review of the Urban Decay 24/7 eyeshadow set that's called 10. Most likely I will be returning the set because I was not too pleased with the staying power. They should have set by now, so I'm actually going to give them a little test. Now these ones are the non-Urban Decay ones. I swatched them later and I'm rubbing them and they're not coming off. But the Urban Decay ones, they're tacky and they are already kind of starting to rub off. So honestly, the Urban Decay ones are not as good as my $2.50 Jordana ones. It's just very surprising to me. These ones feel tacky and I could just feel like, I could just tell that I can rub them off. I mean, granted, you're not going to be going like this with your eyes during the day, but I still had raccoon eyes at the end of the day. So formula-wise, the 24/7s didn't work for me. I hope I didn't offend anyone. I know these are a beloved product. People love the Urban Decay 24/7 pencils, but they just didn't work for me. So thank you guys for watching and see you next time. Bye!